Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Fortnite not launching on PC. First, we will verify the game files. This checks if any Fortnite files are missing or damaged and fixes them automatically. Open the Epic Games launcher and find Fortnite in the list of games. Click the three dots next to Fortnite. From the menu, click Manage and then click on Verify next to Verify Files. The launcher will now scan the game files. This can take a few minutes, depending on your system speed. Wait until the process is fully finished. When it is done, try launching Fortnite again. In many cases, the game will now open normally. If Fortnite still does not launch, the next step is to clear the Epic Games web cache. This removes broken launcher data that can stop games from starting. Close the Epic Games launcher completely. Right-click the Start button and open the Run box. Type %local app data % and press Enter. A folder will open. Scroll down and find the Epic Games folder. Open it and look for a folder called Web Cache. Delete the Web Cache folder. This will not remove your games or account. You can also do this in the Fortnite folder as well. Go back to the local app data folder and find the Fortnite game folder. Open it and go to the saved folder. Find the web cache folder in there and delete it as well. Now restart the Epic Games Launcher as administrator. Right-click the Epic Games Launcher icon and choose Run as administrator. Go back to your library and try launching Fortnite again. These steps fix most Fortnite launch issues on PC. Thanks for watching.